Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings via the three-dot menu. This ensures you edit the right profile. Once there, choose Privacy and Security because notification controls live under Site Settings. Make sure you're signed into the profile that shows the unwanted alerts, then open Site Settings and scroll to Notifications. This step locates the control panel where Chrome grants or blocks permissions, and it prepares you to remove or silence sites that are sending interruptions. Now focus on the Notifications pane where active permissions appear. You'll see allowed and blocked lists. You can click the three-dot icon next to any allowed site to remove or block it, which stops future notifications immediately. If you prefer fewer prompts, switch the master toggle to ask before sending so sites must request permission again. Once done, consider adding trusted sites to a whitelist via ad, because that maintains necessary alerts while eliminating unwanted noise. Finish by handling stubborn cases. Clear site data or reset permissions for a site that keeps reappearing, because cached settings can persist. If multiple sites bother you, flip the global notifications toggle off to stop all Chrome alerts instantly. Make sure to reverse it for sites you want later. If notifications continue, check browser extensions and your operating system notification settings, since those can forward or override Chrome behavior. If problems persist, restart Chrome and verify changes took effect.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.